Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with a warm welcome. In this video, I will show how to make sushi sheets using an easy method. First, let's prepare our sushi rice. You'll need about 1 cup of uncooked short-grain rice for 2 to 3 rolls. Rinse it well, around 5 to 7 times until the water is clear. Then, cook it with an equal amount of water, like 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water for perfect texture. Once your rice is cooked, it's time to season it for that authentic sushi flavor. Combine about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gently fold this mixture into your warm rice with a wooden spoon, using a cutting motion to avoid mashing the grains. Let it cool completely to room temperature. This is crucial for easy handling. Now for the fun part, forming your sushi sheet. Place a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Dip your hands in water to keep the rice from sticking. This is a key trick. Take about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of seasoned rice and gently spread it evenly over the bottom 2/3 of the nori, leaving about 1 inch of nori bare at the top. With your rice spread, it's time to add your favorite fillings. Lay them in a neat line across the center of the rice. Now, using your bamboo mat, carefully lift the edge closest to you and roll it tightly away, pressing gently to form a compact cylinder. Moisten the top, exposed edge of the nori with a little water to seal the roll securely. Slice and enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.